Welcome to Best Choice. The best trailer floor tie-downs is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for anyone who transports goods or vehicles on a trailer, ensuring that your cargo remains secure and stable throughout the journey, preventing costly damage and potential accidents. When you're hauling anything from motorcycles and ATVs to heavy machinery or even just general freight, the reliability of your tie-down system is paramount, making the selection of the right tie-downs a critical decision for peace of mind and the safety of your load. Number 5. Rhino USA Ratchet Straps Tie-Downs, 4-pack. Introducing the Rhino USA Ratchet Straps, your ultimate solution for securing any load. Built for maximum durability and increased security, these straps offer unbeatable reliability. Experience unparalleled performance with our precision manual crank and release mechanism. These straps are engineered for long-lasting use, ensuring they can handle any haul with ease. Our manual locking system provides rock-solid holding power for your peace of mind. You can trust that your cargo will stay put, with no slipping or surprises. Whether you're transporting a motorcycle, kayak, ATV, or furniture, you can do so with confidence. Knowing your items are secure allows for a stress-free journey. Join the Rhino USA family and support a father-son business. We pride ourselves on offering the best USA-based customer support for all our products. We stand by our products with a real lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. If you're looking for a reliable tie-down solution from a family-operated business, this is a great choice. It offers a manual locking system for enhanced security and comes with a lifetime replacement guarantee. This provides excellent peace of mind for various hauling needs. What people say. The easy-to-use hood and tailgate straps allow me to securely drive on the interstate at speed limit. These straps are incredibly sturdy, like seriously heavy-duty. Great for hauling furniture, moving, or securing loads. The small Velcro organizers was a nice touch. Number 4. 6 PCS heavy-duty steel D-rings tie-down anchors. Transporting your goods just got easier and safer. These tie-down anchors are designed to keep your cargo secure on trucks, trailers, and more, preventing damage and reducing noise. With a braking strength of up to 3,500 pounds and a stable 4-hole design, these anchors provide superior load-bearing capacity. They are built for safe operation and can be mounted on any surface with the included hardware. Crafted from high-quality, high-carbon steel, these anchors are exceptionally hard and durable. A protective electrophoresis black coating ensures they are rust and corrosion resistant for long-lasting reliability. Installation is simple, just thread a screw or bolt through the mounting hole. They are perfect for securing cargo with ropes or cables, and can even be used as heavy-duty wall hooks in garages and workshops. This set includes 6 heavy-duty tie-down anchors along with 24 bolts and 24 screws. We ensure exceptional quality and offer professional customer service for your peace of mind. What we like. For those needing robust anchor points on various surfaces, these D-rings are ideal. With a high braking strength and a design that prevents wobbling, they ensure your cargo stays secure. If you need versatile anchors for trucks, trailers, or even as garage hooks, consider these. What people say. The heavy-duty steel construction is rock solid, and the 3,500-pound braking strength is more than enough to handle even the heaviest loads. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the included screws and bolts. They securely mount to the surface, and I have peace of mind knowing that my cargo is safely and firmly anchored. I appreciate that they don't budge even during rough rides or sudden stops. These are solid and well made. Zero issues and are plenty heavy duty for my 900 lb quad. Number 3. DC Cargo Mall E-Track Tie-Down Rail Kit. Introducing the DC Cargo Mall E-Track Tie-Down Rail Kit, your ultimate solution for securing cargo. This comprehensive system is designed for trailers, box trucks, and utility vans, ensuring your load stays put. You get 20 feet of durable, powder-coated steel rails, each offering multiple anchor points. They can be installed on floors, walls, or ceilings, providing flexible tie-down options anywhere you need them. Setting up this system is a breeze. The rails can be quickly installed on various surfaces, giving you immediate access to numerous anchor points for all your tie-down needs. Don't worry about heavy loads or driving over it. These rails are crush-proof and can withstand significant weight, ensuring they won't bend, warp, or break, even under extreme conditions. This kit includes everything you need: sturdy rails, ratchet straps, rope tie-offs, and heavy-duty O-ring anchors. It's the perfect all-in-one package for any cargo securing task. From DC Cargo Mall, we're dedicated to providing powerfully strong E-track systems. Customize, organize, and protect your equipment for work or play with our reliable solutions. What we like. If you need a comprehensive system for securing a variety of loads, this E-track kit is a fantastic option. It provides extensive rail coverage and multiple anchor points, making it perfect for trailers, box trucks, or vans. If you value flexibility and durability for frequent use, this system is for you. What people say. This is a great product which is extremely durable in holding my lawn equipment down in the back of the trailer. Works exactly like it should, came with strong hooks and O-rings to secure the load. Extremely easy to use and appears it will hold up a long time. Great product. Heavy duty enough for an enclosed trailer, not sure if it's black powder coating or just a great paint job, but looks like it will last for years. All hardware and straps fits nice. Great product. Mounts almost anywhere. Stabilizes items attached to them even at highway speeds. Very versatile in width and height stabilizing. Inexpensive way to secure your belongings load. Number 2. Rhino USA Car Tie-Down Straps, 4-pack. Introducing the Rhino USA Car Tie-Down Straps, a heavy-duty solution designed for ultimate vehicle security during transport. Built to last, these straps ensure your vehicle stays put, no matter the journey. As an American-owned, family-operated business, we pride ourselves on providing the best USA-based customer support. Join the Rhino USA family and experience the difference. Our car hauler kit is designed and tested in the USA to exceed safety standards. You can trust that your vehicle will be secure while trailering, thanks to its robust construction. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: lasso straps, T-handle ratchet straps, and a heavy-duty storage bag. It's the complete package for securing your vehicle. Utilizing an over-the-tire design, these straps allow your vehicle's suspension to articulate freely. This innovative approach reduces wear on components and prevents straps from loosening during transport. We stand by the quality of our products with a real lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. For car haulers and powersports enthusiasts, these straps are a top-tier choice. The over-the-tire design allows suspension to articulate freely, reducing wear and tear. If you're transporting vehicles and want maximum security with a lifetime guarantee, these are the straps to get. What people say. It's super quick to whip these out, go through the rim, and if you can't go through the rim, you can go around the tire, then you're done. Makes it quick and easy to tie down vehicles. Works well even with vehicles with oversized tires. The attention to detail and quality seems to be unmatched: zinc-coated ratchet, rubberized T-handle, forged 3/8-inch chain and hook, strap protection sleeve, Velcro micro straps to hold slack or keep straps rolled while storing, heavy-duty carry bag, and even high-quality thick stickers. Number 1. SPARKWHIZ Recessed D-Ring Tie-Down Anchor Kit. Introducing the SPARKWHIZ Recessed D-Ring Tie-Down Anchor Kit. This heavy-duty solution is designed for securing your cargo with confidence. Each package includes 4 sets of D-rings with backing plates and a 90mm hole saw drill. You won't need to purchase any extra tools, saving you time and money. With a straight pull capacity of up to 6,000 pounds per anchor, these tie-downs can handle substantial loads with ease. Its robust bearing capacity makes it an essential accessory for trailers, flatbeds, and pickup truck beds. Secure your items wherever you go. These recessed anchors bolt securely into your vehicle's bed. They lift up for stable cargo tying and lie flush when not in use, maintaining a clean look. The full kit comes complete with D-rings, backing plates, and all necessary bolts, nuts, and washers. We're here to help if you have any questions. What we like. If you prefer a clean, flush look for your tie-down points, this recessed D-ring kit is perfect. It offers a high load capacity and comes with a convenient hole saw for easy installation. This is an excellent choice for trailer floors, flatbeds, and pickup truck beds where a low profile is desired. What people say. Appreciate it came with the whole saw. Everything went together smoothly and good quality components. Easy to install and very sturdy and strong to support anything I hook up to it. I'm glad that they included the whole saw and included all hardware. Nice that the whole saw is included, held up well for installation. Hardware finish is also nice. D-rings worked great to hold 2 snowmobiles down in a clamshell trailer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.